Hi everyone, and welcome to day 12 of Crystal Advent. So to show you, I've got loads of junk on my table. To show you what I've got so far. So we've got opalite, citrine, green hair agate, smoky quartz, fluorite, obsidian, jasper, moss agate, quartz, and aventurine. So let's see what we get in day 12. Ooh, hello. Look at the patterns on this one. So pretty. I love all the little swirls in it, the white in it. And this one is supposed to be carnelian. And carnelian is supposed to be good for fertility workings, creative power, vitality, anything like that you want to manifest. So for those of you who want to know what chakra it's linked to your sacral chakra. It's said to be a stone to give you more confidence and boost your energy. It's also known as the sunset stone because of its colours. And it's a very pretty stone. And yeah, said to boost your confidence. And it looks absolutely gorgeous. So that's it. That's day 11 of Crystal Advent. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Blessed be, and bye for now. I'll see you tomorrow.